Alto saxophones, welcome back. On today's video, we're going to do Accent Book 2, page number 24. On today's page, we have in the upper center portion of the page an alternate C fingering for high C. That alternate C fingering starts with the B fingering, first finger and our octave key, and then we're going to use the center side key or the second side key right here for alternate C up high. Molto ritardando means to dramatically slow down the tempo, and we need to know that for when we see it in a band song. Our first exercise today is smooth slurring, and it's in cut time with an F sharp. It'll get us to practice using our high alternate C, and let's play through this exercise twice in cut time. 1 and 2 E and 1 a 2, 1 2, ready, begin. Remember that cut time takes the values of the notes and makes them half. 1 and 2 E and ready, again. Now we'll move on to number 84, and it's from a song or an opera called Carmen. It's the Habanera. This piece is built on the chromatic scale. If you're learning your chromatic scale, this piece from Carmen is right up your alley. We'll play through the song one time. There's a repeat sign at the end, but for the length of the video, we're going to only play through this one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, play. Now, if you need to, go back and play it a second time. You may need to look some of these notes up or the fingerings in the back of the book. We've reviewed many of them in the past few pages. One of them in particular is the low B natural fingering using our left B key. Also, remember the enharmonics page where we talked about the notes that have the same pitch but are spelled differently? You might want to consult with that page too, so that you can see that an A flat is a G sharp. Let's move on to number 85, the yodeling song. This piece is in 3/4 time. It's got F sharp and C sharp. So join me and let's play the yodeling song. 1 a 2 and 3 and 1 a 2 and 3. 1 a 2 and 3 and 1 a 2 and 3. We'll use our low C sharp fingering. Remember, low C sharp is the fingering for low C, but then we're using that left pinky, not on the B key, but on the C sharp key that's right next to it. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, begin. Exercise number 86 is by Ludwig van Beethoven. It's his theme from the violin concerto in D. This piece starts in 6/8 time and goes all the way through from the beginning to the end of line number 2. There we have a DC al fine, which means go back to the beginning and play to the word fine, which is just short of the end of the second line. It's in 6/8, and it has a pickup note on beat 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. Bum, bum, like that. Let's get started and play the theme from the violin concerto in D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, play. One, two, three, ready, go. Now, if you need more practice, pause this video and review that exercise using a metronome. Set your metronome at a solid and steady beat, bump, 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 and then try playing along. Remember, the values of the notes in 6/8 are different. Eighth notes get 1 beat, quarter notes get 2 beats, and dotted quarter notes get 3 beats. On the last exercise of today's page is an accent on creativity, improvisation on a blues scale. Using the pitches shown, improvise your own melody, using any rhythms that you know. You may play these notes in any order, repeat notes, or even using rest. The scale they're giving you is called the blues scale. Play through those notes to hear how the blues scale sounds on your alto saxophone, and then create your own improvisation on the blues scale. Until I see you next time, keep practicing.